Good morning, students. Today I will teach you biology for class 9th, chapter 1, the fundamental unit of life, that is cell. जैसे किसी मकान की छोटी इकाई ईंट होती है, वैसे ही हमारे बॉडी के अंदर सेल सबसे छोटी यूनिट होती है. सो वी कैन से सेल इज द फंडामेंटल फंक्शनल एंड स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. Each and every cell perform all activities related to life process. सबसे पहले कोशिका की खोज रॉबर्ट हुक ने किया था. रॉबर्ट हुक discovered a cell in cartilage in 1665 by his own microscope. After him, Leeuwenhoek discovered free living cells in a pond water in 1674. Robert Brown discovered nucleus in 1831. Purkinje coined the term protoplasm for fluid of a substance in a cell where all life activities occur. Sleden and Swan, two biologists, proposed their cell theory in 1838 and in 1839. According to their theory, all plants and animals are made up of cells, and these cells are the basic and structural unit of life. There are two types of cell: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell means which have primitive nucleus. In prokaryotic cell, nuclear membrane is absent, so chromosome present without nuclear membrane. We can say nucleotide is only nucleic acid without nuclear membrane, which is present in bacteria, or you can say in prokaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, membrane bounded cell organelles are absent. In eukaryotic cell, all membrane bounded cell organelles are present. It has a well defined nucleus, that is, a nuclear membrane is present around the chromosomes. Plant cell and animal cell are eukaryotic cell, but bacteria is a prokaryotic cell. There are two types of organisms: unicellular organism, multicellular organism. Example of unicellular organism is amoeba, paramecium, euglena, chlamydomonas, bacteria. These organisms are made up of only one cell, and only one cell perform all life activities in that organisms. Other organism is multicellular. We are multicellular organism. Fungi, plants, and all animals are multicellular organism. Their body is made up of many cells. Many cells when unite to form tissue, and tissue unite to form organ, and organ when unite then it form organ system, and organ system when unite to form organism. यानी सेल कोशिका से ऊतक बनता है, ऊतक से अंग, अंग से अंगतंत्र, और अंगतंत्र से जीव बनता है. आप जानते हैं टिश्यू कई टाइप्स के होते हैं, जैसे इपिथेलियल टिश्यू, मस्कुलर टिश्यू, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, nervous tissue, organ. When many tissues unite, then it form organ, and when many organ combine together and do a systematic function, then they called a organ system. जैसे we can say from top to bottom, nervous system, muscular system, digestive system, circulatory system, reproductive system, integumentary system, excretory system. In our body many systems are present and they are coordinated by the controlling part of brain. Like this, cell is controlled by the nucleus. Nucleus is the controlling power of the cell. It control function of all cell organelles. Dear students, we have to know what are the parts of cell. Cell के कौन कौन से part होते हैं. Plasma membrane is the outer covering of cell. It allow or permit the selective substances across environment and protoplasm, and it also prevent unwanted substances to come into the cell. Nucleus consists of nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromatin fibers, nucleoplasm. Nucleus is a controlling part of the cell. In cell there is a cytoplasm which is present between cell membrane and nucleus, and in cytoplasm many cell organelles like ribosomes, lysosome, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, and so many cell organelles are present which perform a definite life activities like organ. But we have to know about them one by one. Ribosome is non-membranous structure which perform protein synthesis. Ribosomes are freely present in cytoplasm as well as it is present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, and that endoplasmic reticulum is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosome has many digestive enzymes which digest the food substances in it, and lysosome is also detoxify the harmful substances. So in emergency period, lysosome destroy the cell, so it is also called suicidal bag of the cell. Lysosome is also called suicidal bag of cell. Mitochondria is a membrane bounded cell organelles which have its own DNA, and it perform many reactions in it to conserve energy in it. It store energy in the form of ATP, so mitochondria is also called powerhouse of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is a pathway for transportation of a substances from environment to cell. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum and this is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum have a ribosome on its surface which produces protein, but smooth endoplasmic reticulum produces lipid. Dear student, you have to know about other topics in next video. You have to write down it and learn properly. Thank you very much.